Leo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titignan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong full moon in Gemini na mangyayari sa December 15, 2024 at 5:01 p.m. Philippine time. Ayan. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to this channel, no, to show your support. And also like, share this video. Comment na rin kayo kung naka-resonate kayo. Okay, so for you Leo, maaring yung reading na to mas maka-resonate dito yung mga Leo rising, okay? So for you Leo, itong full moon is going to happen in your 11th house of friendship, community, your aspirations, your dreams. So yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron ditong pagle-let go ng mga friends, connections, na sa tingin mo ay hindi na in alignment of your goals or nung iyong paniniwala, no? So minsan may mga ganun na for a period of time, close tayo sa kaibigan natin na ito kasi nakaka-resonate pa tayo sa isa't isa, nagkakaintindihan pa kayo. But as you grow older, as you mature, nag-iiba yung mga priorities nyo, somehow nagdi-drift away, no, 'di ba? Or drift apart. So nagkakaroon kayo ng iba't ibang priorities and sometimes nagkakaroon ng disconnection, no? So for some of you, pwedeng may mga ganong situation sa inyo na you might be losing interest sa isang kaibigan or kasamahan, no, sa trabaho, or someone na you've been hanging out with. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, this can also mean a romantic connection, no, na lalo na if this relationship ay walang label. Kasi meron siyang opposition sa 5th house, which is this is the house of having fun or relationships na hindi ganun kaseryoso. So maaring yung iba sa inyo na-realize nyo na tapos na ako dito sa ganitong phase ng connection na parang hangout lang, ganyan, make out, pero walang seryosong patutunguhan, no? So some of you are letting go of that because you want to explore pa. Maaring gusto mo pang may makilala na iba, na maaring na-realize mo na itong taong pala na to, kaya lang naging close sa'yo kasi meron kang mga hinihil sa sarili mo na parang hindi mo pa maayos-ayos, and then finally you realize na hindi mo pala talaga kailangan yon. So you get what I mean? Some of you here, kasi 8th house is about intimacy, no? And there is a challenging aspect here with Neptune, which is about yung dreams. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong relationship or kakonect na ile-let go nyo kasi mukhang hindi siya yung tao na ine-expect mo na gusto mong makasama. Especially kung kayo ay nagiging mas nagsispend kayo ng time together or mas nagiging intimate kayo, nagkakaroon na kayo ng sexual connection ng person na to. So you realize na parang this is not a person that I want to grow old with, or to have a serious relationship with, or to have a family with. So you've been thinking about a lot of things lately na kung paano ka makakaiwas dyan. And I think for quite some time, no, parang yung iba kasi sa inyo meron ditong parang pinupunuan, no? May pinupunuan ka na pagkukulang na hindi mo alam kung saan nanggagaling yung pagkukulang na yon, na minsan hinahanap mo siya sa company ng ibang tao or ng mga bagay na nagbibigay sa'yo ng pleasure, pero after nun wala na naman ulit, no? So I think you are exploring yung iba pang mga tao na pwedeng mas makaintindi sa'yo. So some of you pwedeng you are leaving a circle of friends dahil you feel like hindi na sila supportive of you, or parang magkaiba na kayo ng pananaw sa buhay. Okay? And then, some of you naman, kung kayo ay into business or investments, medyo mag-ingat, okay, sa mga offers, investment offers, business offers ng mga kaibigan. Kasi baka yan yung maging dahilan para kayo ay magkasiraan. Oo. So, ingat-ingat. You have the Seven of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles. Some of you are going to focus on your finances, yung personal ninyong fulfillment. Meron ditong Six of Wands and the King of Pentacles. Some of you merong magandang balita pagdating sa trabaho, career. Meron kayong recognition, may awards kayong marireceive. This is about the fruits of your labor as well. So, maaring iba, pwedeng may promotion or meron kayong incentives na makukuha dahil sa nagawa ninyong performance sa career, sa trabaho. You have the Justice card and the Four of Pentacles. So, when it comes to your finances, maingat rin talaga kayo ngayon. Pwede kasing iba sa inyo na scam na before and you finally realize kung paano mo mas iingatan or pangangalagaan yung finances mo, yung pera mo. There's also stability in your career path, in your business. If meron kang ina-expect na payment sa'yo or incentives na marireceive mo na yan. Kung payment, pwedeng payment to ng isang tao na may pagkakautang sa'yo. So, maaring makakabayad na yan. Marireceive mo na yung pera na hinihintay mo. Reflect on your priorities. Yes. So, magiging aware ka sa mga bagay na dapat mong pagtuunan ng pansin during this time. Minsan, kasi di ba nag-iiba-iba tayo ng priorities for a certain season and for a certain reason. So, ngayon, aware ka sa mga bagay na dapat mong unahin, dapat mong bigyan ng focus. And this is also a time for healing para sa iba sa inyo. Lalo na kung ito ay connected sa mga taong nakasalamuha mo, kaibigan mo, or mga nakasama mo, like nakadate mo, or someone who is romantically connected sa'yo. Work through your fears. Ayan. So, mas magiging confident ka sa sarili mo kasi inaayos mo na yung mga bagay na kinatatakutan mo or yung mga bagay na iniiwasan mo kasi ayaw mong harapin dahil baka hindi mo kayang i-handle. So, dahil sa takot. But, you are working through your fears. I think that's part of your healing process as well. Minsan kasi mahirap mag-let go, diba? Nakakatakot dahil inisip natin na baka, paano yan? Mag-isa ka na lang or baka wala ka na makasama kasi binitawan mo na. But actually, this is going to give you an opportunity to connect and meet new people that will be in alignment of your energy. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye.